Are you looking for a townhome that is energy efficient? Well, for today's tour, this townhome comes with solar panel included. We are checking out floor plan Barkley, which is a 3-story townhome. I cannot wait to show you. Hello, my name is Ramiro Fregoso. I am a Las Vegas realtor, and if this is your first time to my channel, welcome. What I do in my channel is I tour all the newest communities here throughout the Las Vegas, Henderson, and North Las Vegas, and show you what builders are offering, so you can decide if this home and community is right for you. Because let's be honest, guys, buying a new home is exciting and all, but there is a lot to consider. You got pricing, incentives, and what is included with your home purchase. That's where I step in. I navigate you to the process and find the right home for you. If this is something you're interested, subscribe to my channel. Also tap that bell. That way, when I do upload these tours, you guys are the first to learn about them. For today's property tour, we are in the community of Cantata Point by Beazer Homes in the master plan of Cadence. And we are gonna be checking out some townhomes for today's tour. Just to reference where this community is located. So you are about 25 minutes from the strip, 20 minutes from the airport, 20 minutes downtown Las Vegas, and you're about 30 minutes from downtown Summerlin. And in this community, they are gonna be building 178 townhomes total. It is a non-gated community here, and HOA here, so you got 2 HOAs. You got $45 a month for your sub HOA, and you got $75 for your master plan. So making it a total of $120 monthly for your HOA. And what does this community have to offer? So you have a ton of trails, barbecue areas, parks, dog parks, Olympic-sized swimming pool, and you have a nice big central park for you to enjoy, and much more. In this community, you have 3 different floor plans. And they all range from either 2-story townhomes to even up to 3 stories. As far as pricing, the starting base price is $376,990 up to $469,990, and they range from either from 1,330 square feet to up to 2,256 square feet. Ooh, it's a really windy day here, I tell you. Also, they do have lot premiums here. So lot premiums could range, they're starting at $7,500 and they could go up to around, I believe, $25,000. And also keep in mind, when you hear base price, guys, that does not include your lot premiums, which we know they start at $7,500. And for upgrades here, so here in this community, you could go 2 different ways, right? You could buy a spec home, and that's where you're gonna get the best deal, honestly, or you could build from the ground up, meaning you get to pick your options. So on average, people here that are purchasing in the community are adding around $20,000 to probably $25,000 in upgrades. But at the end of the day, guys, that all depends on you and what you like in your home. Also, let me give you a quick breakdown. So I will have the floor plans all on your screen. Let's quickly go over them. So you got floor plan Griffin. That is a 3-bedroom. It is 1,330 square feet. And starting base price is $376,990. Then we have plan Bedford, 3-bedroom, 1,480 square feet. Starting base price for that one is $391,990. Then we have the 3-story, which is the only 3-story here in this community, and that is Barclay, and that is starting at $469,990. And I want to quickly go over here the incentives they have to offer. At least as making this video, guys, prices, incentives are always subject to change. But right now in this community, they're offering solars included with your home purchase. Not just that, guys, you're able to take that voucher and report it when you do your taxes at the end of the year. So pretty awesome, win-win situation if you ask me. Offering $25,000 towards your closing cost. Also, they have these rate buy downs. So the first year, you're getting 2.75% on the first year. Second year, you're getting 3.75%. Third year, you're getting 4.75%. And fourth year, and to the remaining of the loan, it's locked in at 5.75%. Now, let's go check out this model home to see if it's a right fit for you. For today's property tour, we are checking out floor plan Barclay in the brand new community of Cantata Point by Beazer Homes. And this is a 3-story townhome, and it is the biggest floor plan that is available here in this community. So stay tuned. All right, guys, so here we have floor plan Barclay, and this is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath. It is 2,256 square feet, 2-car garage, and starting base price is $469,990, guys. As I'm making this tour, they do have a quick move-in ready, and that is priced at $503,034. If you would like more information about that, feel free to reach out. I will have my contact info in the description below. Let's quickly walk around over here. And just a quick disclaimer, guys, like I mentioned, these homes come with solar and they are all gonna be electric. You know, what's the point of being energy efficient if you're not gonna be energy efficient? So everything is here. So if you're, for example, like your stove, your cooktop is not gonna be gas, it's gonna be electric. So really quick, here in this front entrance, it is covered, so you have a nice little covered porch here in the front. The garage is going to be on the back end of this townhome, and this is a 3-story townhome. So if you like to get exercise, you're going to get it today, guys, together. All right, so as soon as you come in, straight ahead, your 2-car garage, you got your laundry. To go to the second floor, then here immediately here to the left, you do have a bedroom here. Look at this. And you know, I'm not too sure. I don't think it's a primary because it only has a sink. I was a little confused. This is my first time walking them. So, but bedroom, then you have a bathroom. But I guess we'll find out together, right? That is the beauty of doing home tours, because you get to check them out and you guys are coming along with me, checking them out together. Stand-up shower. Then right over here, you do have the primary closet. Now let's go over here. Oh, really quick, almost missed it. Do have a linen closet right here. Then washer and dryer here on the first floor. Washer and dryer is not included, unfortunately, but if you do have an awesome agent by your side, possibly negotiate that for you guys. Let me quickly show you the garage. I know I don't show you in all my tours because they usually keep them locked, but off the back, when I noticed, guys, you got some extra storage space because the wall is, you know, extended out. I'm giving you, maybe you could put some shelves, store some boxes, whatever. And also, you don't have a tankless water heater, but this water heater is what they call a hybrid water heater. So very energy efficient. Then over here, you got your main shut off, and then you also have the pre-piping if you decide to do a water softener, which I always recommend, guys. You got the water bib right there if you ever want to kind of wash out the garage or wash your car, wherever you have some water. But I mean, here it is, unfinished. At least this one is. Now let's go to the second floor, and then last we'll do the third floor. So definitely stick around, guys, because they do have an awesome balcony that I cannot wait to show you. Also, if you guys are enjoying it, do me a huge favor, like the video, subscribe, also tap that bell, that way you don't miss my next tour. Look at this, guys. Definitely, this is my favorite floor plan. I mean, look at this kitchen. Definitely a massive kitchen for a townhouse. Really good size. I do like the cabinet finishes too. Nice, very modern look. Look at this. Like I said, electric stove. And right here, nice walk-in pantry. This is the only floor plan that does have a walk-in pantry. Before I forget, now that I pointed the camera, I might as well show you, right? Linen closet. But I mean, look at this. Look how many you could seat here. So you got the quartz countertops. You got 2, 4, 5. And you could probably go 6. Those are definitely some nice bulky chairs. So you probably go 6, but 5 to be safe. So plenty of space. I mean, you don't have a dining area, so it makes sense to make, you know, the space nice and over large countertops. Absolutely love it. And then over here you got your living room. 9-foot ceilings here on the second floor. Then let's go check out this balcony. So here you're gonna have 2 balconies. You're gonna have one on the second floor and also on the 3rd floor. And wait till you see the one on the 3rd floor. It is massive. You're gonna love this floor plan. Definitely not for everyone, at least I love it, right? Got a nice opening right there. The nice views here, check it out. Windy day, beautiful skies, but just a windy day here in Henderson. Let me stand right here to show you. I do like how it is covered, especially here in Vegas. It's like, it gets super hot. You definitely got to protect yourself from the sun as much as possible. But I mean, drop a comment below, guys. What are your thoughts about this second floor? We're not quite done yet, because straight ahead, I can already tell that is the primary. So I was right. That bottom one is just a bedroom suite. So that's perfect for guests, maybe your parents, maybe somebody who wants their own privacy, stay downstairs. I already showed you this. Just remembered. But then here's your powder room for the second floor. And then, welcome to your primary bedroom. Good size. Let me stand over here so you can see it from this angle. Let me know what you guys think. Is it big enough? So you only do have one window. And then behind me, you have your bathroom. So let me see how some people move these around. Oh, that's why sometimes I don't get these, because people move them around and then I look at the bathroom and I see people move around. So let's put it back how it was. So how it is right now, let me see. So it looks like it's A, but you have the option to go like with B as well. Because check this out. You have that stand-up shower. And I would assume, I mean, there's some exception, right? Most people would go with something like this as a stand-up. Unless, you know, it's a family, you have kids, maybe you want to, you know, bathe them in your bathroom. So it makes sense to have that bathtub. But dual vanity. And right there you have the toilet. And behind me, your primary closet. All right, so now let's go to the 3rd floor, guys. So always head up to the 3rd floor. Here's a key tip, guys, for new builds. Always bring me or a trusted realtor on that first visit. Because if we're not there, guys, from the start, the builder may block us from helping you later. Their agents work for the builder. I work for you. So I'll negotiate the best deal possible, protect your interests every step of the way, guys, and help you avoid any costly mistakes. So I'll have my contact info below, so give me a call, shoot me a text. Here to help, guys, and we'll definitely love to represent you and be with you every step of the way. That's why I do these tours for guys, so you call me. JK. At least I try to bring as much value, guys, if you're not gonna use me. So right here, linen closet. Look at this, guys. Not only do you have a massive loft, we also have a massive balcony, which I'll show you in just a second. I know I keep teasing you, but that is probably one of my favorite features of this townhome. Look at this, good size. I mean, look at, you got table, you got couch, TV, still plenty of space. 8-foot ceilings here on the 3rd floor. Here's your full bathroom. I just heard the fire alarm beep. Somebody needs to change the batteries. And no secret, guys, with Beazer homes, energy efficient, so they keep the furnace on the same living floors instead of the attic to be more energy efficient, in case you're wondering. So here's bedroom number 3, because we've seen one on the 1st floor, 1 in the 2nd, and 2 in the 3rd. And honestly, if I was growing up, I'm just speaking of kid, because most likely the young are going to be on top because they could go all the way to the 3rd story floor, I guess you could say. I'm over here, can't even talk. I would enjoy it because you have loft, not just that, guys, the balcony. I know I keep talking about it. I cannot wait to show you. But I just want to show you the bedrooms first, and we'll end up last outside. And here it is, guys. I mean, honestly, for a townhome, guys, this is definitely one of the big, I mean, even like your single family homes, guys. It's hard to even think on top of my head who has a bigger one. Obviously, there's some wide ones, but look at this, guys. This is covered. Look at this. Look how big it is. I would say it's probably like a 15 by 15, just to give you an idea. Look at this. Windy day here in Vegas, but beautiful blue skies and beautiful clouds. But look at this, guys. I mean, with a community with no backyard and you have something like this, not too shabby. I wouldn't mind. Well, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this tour. Drop a comment below your thoughts about this floor plan. Is a 3-story part of your plans? Maybe it's not, but maybe you change your mind. I don't know. Drop in the comments below. Also, guys, if you guys would like to come check out this floor plan or this community, another community, or even resale homes, or looking to sell your property, I would love to be your agent choice and be with you every step of the way. If you're looking to buy or sell, I will have my contact info below, guys. So give me a call, shoot me a text. And if you're not gonna call me or shoot me a text, the least you can do, guys, is like this video, subscribe, and then tap that bell. That way you don't miss my next tour. Until next time, guys.